Hello my little friends, today we will enjoy a very interesting story. The story name is The Ugly Duckling. So are you ready to enjoy? Let's start. It was a hot summer day. Mama Duck sat on her nest and waited for the eggs to hatch. She was getting tired for the little ones were taking so long to come out of their shells. She was all alone and hardly anyone came to visit. Finally, one shell cracked and then another, and from each came a little duckling and cried, "Cheep cheep." Mama Duck was very happy, but the biggest egg was still there. At last, it broke open and out came the baby duck. How big and ugly he was! This little duckling was very joyful and would join in every game his sisters and brothers played. But they didn't want to play with him. All his brothers and sisters hated him and mocked at him. The ugly duckling could not understand why no one liked him. One day, he saw his reflection in the water. "Oh, I am so ugly. That's why everyone hates me." So, he decided to leave the home. Wandering alone, he came across a cottage where an old woman lived with a cat and a hen. The woman fed him and treated him in a good manner. But her cat and her hen treated the duckling very badly, so after staying there for some time, the ugly duckling left. Winter came and the duckling was all alone. A peasant took him home, but his children treated him badly and he escaped. Finally, spring arrived. The duckling was happy as he could swim again. One day, while swimming, he saw a beautiful swan in the pond and fell in love with her. But suddenly he remembered how everyone mocked him and he bent his head down in shame. He was shocked to see his reflection in the water. He had turned into a handsome young swan and was no longer an ugly duckling. Now, he realized why he looked so different from his brothers and sisters. They were ducklings but he was a swan. Now, he went to the beautiful swan and expressed his feelings. They got married and lived happily ever after. I hope you have liked this story. For more such stories and interesting videos, do subscribe our channel, like and share our videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.